is why we do this right here.
They just saw two yellow glowing eyes looking at them, just watching to see if they'd touch the deer. No, holy crap, there's a forest fire. Oh, the sun is coming up. This is such a cool hike, but holy cow, it's smoky. You think it's gotta be the California fires. Just making it feel so bad. We're pushing through. We're pushing through. So actually looking at this spot reminds me a few years ago I had a friend I worked with, and her siblings, they came to do this hike. I don't know if it was a night hike or they're trying to get in the morning, but it was dark. And they got to this area where it opens up to a big open field. And they got to the halfway point and they smelled something weird and they noticed there was a deer just dead in the middle of the trail, like freshly ripped open. So obviously you're panicking, they're looking around, and up here where the field finally goes back into the woods, they just saw two yellow glowing eyes looking at them, just watching to see if they'd touch the deer. And they're like, yeah, well, that was a good hike, time to go home. They just turned around like, well, I guess we'll try that another time. Holy cow, it's not just a California fire, it is actually a forest fire. Let's get in there and help.
A lot of fire right where he said into, yes.
The end is hot. It's warm. So let's see You guys putting out the fires we've been finding? Edge of trails.
Really?
This big. We're wondering if someone was. He smelled some cigarette smoke.
Yeah.
Wondering if someone was
There's
smoking.
been a couple arsonists around the valley this year.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then there was.
It was right here?
Yeah, you can see the stuff. Here's the branch we pulled back.
Would you guys might be in the contact?
That's fine.
Probably no one's gonna call you, but
Yeah, that's fine.
you know, just how we document stuff.
Yeah, that's totally fine.
What's your name? Awesome. You guys are great.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
In the beginning, it was like we were glued to each other, yes we were. And in a room full of people, we lost our sight. We're only us and no others, only us. But as we dove in deep, the water turned cold. Yeah, we have different dreams, so we can never grow. Yeah, as we dove in deep, the water turned cold. 'Cause we have different dreams, so we can never grow. It's sad to know, it's
Here's the
sad
thing.
to know, it's
You know mountains are
sad
big.
to know.
You know they're real big when you walk up one. You realize how absolutely massive they are when you can see the shadows that they cast on the city below. Hey, look at that. Look at that shadow. It's huge. How's it going?
This is such a dope shot. This is why we do this right here. Get these sick views. Get in here.
I can hurt you like you hurt me too, me too. We're letting go, drifting apart. We're letting go, drifting apart. I can hurt you like you hurt me too, me too. We're letting go, drifting apart. We're letting go, drifting apart.
Why Mountain Peak does not disappoint. Holy cow.
good. Yeah. All right, so, you know, I think it's easier to make summit by sunrise if there's not a forest fire.
Yeah.
I think it's a lot easier if there's not 2 forest fires. But even though missing sunrise is a disappointment, Y Mountain Summit does not disappoint.
Oh, it puts Squaw Peak to shame.
There's nothing like hiking along and then you look up, or look down I should say, and see your previous hike. So we'll see how it happens, but this is a crazy hike. I cannot believe that I didn't know about this. I don't know anybody else that's hiked it, honestly. And here we are cruising up it and getting some of the most epic views.
I can hurt you like you hurt me